In this video, we will compare New Relic versus Splunk and see which one is best for APM. New Relic excels in application performance monitoring, ideal for developers and smaller teams. Meanwhile, Splunk is a powerhouse for log analytics and large-scale infrastructure. So, use New Relic if you prefer rapid application debugging and front-end and back-end visibility. Now use Splunk for better complex high-volume log analysis and security use cases. New Relic provides a unified interface for full-stack monitoring, while Splunk is superior for real-time data. As for the pricing, Splunk uses ingestion-based pricing, which can be costly at high volumes but offers flexibility for enterprises. Meanwhile, New Relic is considered more predictable, offering a free tier with 100 gigabytes ingestion per month. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.